Good morning, students, and welcome to the new session of mathematics. In our last period, we learned about the highest common factor by common division method and long division method. Today, we will learn the least common multiple, that is LCM. We will find LCM only by common division method. In your book, in exercise, it is particularly mentioned as prime factorization method, but we will not use that. We will use only and only common division method to find the least common multiple, that is LCM. Here I have considered one example from your exercise number 2.3, question number 3. In this also they have mentioned that find the LCM by prime factorization method, but we will find it by common division method only. The two numbers are 510 and 250. As these two numbers are even numbers, I will start dividing by the first and lowest prime number, that is 2. After dividing these two numbers by 2, I got 255 and 125. As the last digit of these numbers is 5, I will divide by the next prime number, that is 5. I got 51 and 25. Children, here I would like to mention one thing which is very important. Beyond this 51 and 25, we cannot find any common factor. I am saying beyond this 51 and 25, for this 51 and 25 also we cannot find any common factor. Till this we could find the common factors as 2 and 5. So I have encircled that, means 2 and 5 we will consider for HCF because these are common factors, and here the HCF of these two numbers is 10. Every time try to encircle these common factors. It will be easy for you to find the HCF. Whenever I will be finding LCM over here, I will encircle these common factors and we will find the HCF of the same. Moving further, as we know that there is no common factor for 51 and 25, one by one we will divide by the prime numbers. First I will divide by 5. 51 I cannot divide by 5, so I am taking 51 down as it is. 25 I can divide by 5, that is 5 5s are 25. Again there is no common factor 51 and 5. I will divide by 5, 51 as it is, and 5 1s are 5. The moment you get 1 over here, we will not consider that. Just take it down as it is. Now we have to consider this 51. 5 plus 1, 6, and it is divisible by 3. So I am dividing by the prime number 3. 17 3s are 51. 17 itself a prime number. 17 1s are 17. The moment I got 1 over here and here also, I stopped dividing it further. I mention it again. I stopped dividing it further. And the moment I got these 1 1 at both the places, my division is over. Now to find the LCM, I have to consider all the prime numbers that we have divided with. Means 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 17. 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 17. And my LCM is 12,750, whereas the HCF is 10.